So hello guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Monopoly Go error iOS. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to fix this error, there has been the rumors that it had been fixed. So it's actually true, it has been fixed already. So when you open the game, it will load up as usual, and then when you load it up, it will actually just boot normally, and there you go. Once it has booted normally, you'll actually be receiving a free compensation of 200 dices when you do so. So I have received my 200 dices a while ago, and right now there has not been any error messages that has been popping out lately here in my iPhone. So there you go guys, it's just pretty simple. All you have to do is just launch the game as usual, and you don't really have to do anything special to do so. So there you go guys, that is how you do it. And if you like this video, I hope you like it, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.